Hey guys, I'm in the kitchen today preparing for the tissue culture extraction. So I'm going to go through everything that I've got here, all the ingredients, what I'm doing, the order of which I'm doing it. This is a clean environment. You don't have to do it in a sterile environment. That comes next when we start cutting up the plants and putting them into the media. So anyway, here's what we've got. All right, proper measuring utensils. I've got a pH meter there. The pH of 5.8 is super critical when you're doing this. Here I've got the media mixture. The agar's on the bottom. The nutrients and minerals are in the beaker up on top. I've got the sugar mixing. I've mixed 1 tablespoon of sugar with 450 milliliters of distilled water. Over here I've got the stuff getting ready to go into the pressure cooker. Once this is prepared and gels up a little bit, what we'll do is we'll put it into the test tubes. We're going to wrap our utensils and the paper towels in tin foil, keep them dry. Actually, it also gives you something to handle between now and the sterile environment. And here's our pressure cooker. We'll pressure cook for around 20 minutes or so. Make sure we've got a good, clean, sterile package to go down into the lab. So, wish me luck. Okay, we're adding the pre-mixed nutrients to the sugar water. Okay, we're adding the agar gently, a little bit at a time. This is primarily seaweed agar. It's just a gelling agent. It gives the roots something to hold on to. You can see it's mixing up pretty well there. Okay, you can see I've adjusted the pH to 5.8. Has to be exactly 5.8. Okay, don't mess that up. All right, I've got all of my utensils, media, paper towels, anything that needs sterilized that's going to be in that sterile environment is now in the pressure cooker. I don't know if you can see inside of there. I've got most of these vials and containers leaning a little bit. What happens is you might pick up a little bit of moisture during this process, and it'll actually drown your embryos as they're starting. So you've got to try and lean them and put the plant on the other side so that the water isn't touching the plant, if you get any at all. But it's just a precaution. But I typically lean these so that any kind of water will leak to the side. And we are pressure cooking at around 20 psi for around 20 minutes. So anyway, it's super important to make sure you see, I just touched the counter. I just messed up. I have to wash over again now. I'm sorry, but it's a good example though. You must, from this point on, you need to maintain an extremely sterile environment. You'll notice I don't have any long sleeves on. That's a no-no. Contradictory. I would think that your skin cells would come off and that would be an issue, but apparently long sleeve shirts are out. Wish me luck on this because last time was an epic fail.